Hello guys, I'm going to read you the story Beep Beep Go to Sleep. It's by Todd Tarpley and illustrated by John Rocco. 3 little robots, time for bed. Time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors round and round. Clean your shields. And power down. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are... Beep, beep! Oh. Is something wrong? I need my coil, my sensor aches. I want more oil. Better now? Then rest your head. 3 little robots, back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are... Beep, beep! What is it now? I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolt's too tight. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are... Beep, beep! Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking. No more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, squinking, oinking. Oinking? Go to sleep. Oh. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are... Beep, beep! What now? You need what? Oh, a bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, blopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not these robots snuggle deep. They've finally put their boy to sleep. I love that book. I hope you guys don't give your mom and dad such a hard time. I'll see you later.